All the best, Mithun.
And ladies and gentlemen,
Ooh, Abed.
Yes.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Ang bayani husband. Mia horo kaisa event to thangmano omono blog rina hidi once again start khailagya. Tamni hingkai norok Bangalore ni blog naimang namang sele sukuna. Mithun by invitation manai chung sogui kya Polo Tower so. Agartala Fashion Week attend khaina bagai Khani groups by Organize Khaijak. Abani founder ka chini on nayak Mithun Debbarma. Chung emnete kisa ler kha manai Monalisa no call kaisumani already start ang kapo hypano jeng para ni se phai sala paina hanga ba kisa jorana kha but kokrei boni invitation no at least jeng sokoi man bagai balakhena tong thoka let's lekhana haida 8:30 sing tongpa program pas paina khena but kini jangwa ba in makakpan nuk thangsiwan nai paran thanga ba lekhata Heda, li.
Right now, outside this town, rolling for the win. We are signing out right now.
Itu green itu apa ya?
एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए for our designer. राउंड में मिला है इतने खूबसूरत डिजाइन हमें मिली. I request our designer to please be on the stage. मैं निवेदन करूँगी हमारे डिजाइनर से.
and so let's now welcome the Fashion Award that will be given, and the couple goal in fashion is Ashish and Kumar. Let's welcome them with a round of applause, people.
मंच पर आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी आशीष एंड कुमार को जोरदार तालियों से मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी the founder of Khani Group, Mr. Mithun Debbarma.
That's going to be more coming up after this. But first of all, it's the couple goal. That's Ashish and Kumar here on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, shall we give them a round of applause one more time? Come on. Such a beautiful couple. And ladies and gentlemen, next word. Styling Arundhauti Gupta Sen. Let's give her a round of applause. Come on, people. Any guesses for the fashionable singer, ladies and gentlemen? Let's now welcome the fashionable singer here tonight is Abed. And so, let's give him a round of applause, people.
Ooh, Abed.
You know, it's awesome to have such people amongst us, and really, really honored to present to you this beautiful memento. On the stage is Abed. Let's give him a round of applause, people, one more time. And Ladies and gentlemen, let's now welcome the Tripura's beauty queen, Nikita Ghosh. So on the stage, please, come on, let's welcome her with a round of applause. Femina Miss India 2024, Nikita Ghosh. On the stage and presented by Mithun Debbarma amongst us. And now, let's the iconic couple on stage, please. Any guesses? Yes, it's none other than Anantra and Khaijak. Anantra and Khaijak. Round of applause for the beautiful couple. Iconic couple amongst us. Stylist Doctor 2024-25 is Dr. Anurag Majumdar. Dr. Anurag Majumdar is it present here? All right, now let's give him a round of applause, people. Right, and you know what? I have a small question. Dr. Anurag, it's surprising to see you. How do you maintain yourself? And why do you think it's important to maintain yourself being a doctor and being such a stylish doctor in the state here and in Tripura?
This was very surprising when people texted me. So I don't know about the style thing. I think it's mostly about comfort. I mostly wear comfortable clothes. I style myself. It would be wrong to say I style myself for my patients, but then it's important for people in our profession also to appear presentable in front of patients. I think now the world is changing, and even any normal person expects a certain amount of presentability from you. So I think that's why I try to maintain myself. Otherwise, I just wear normal work clothes and comfortable clothes. It's up to people like Mithun who recognize these things as being stylish. So I'm thankful to him again, and thank you everyone.
एंड जस्ट इतना जानना चाहेंगे, मैंने आपको देखा है बहुत जगहों में, ऑफलाइन भी ऑनलाइन भी। ऑफलाइन जैसे आप हैं, ऑनलाइन भी हम वही देख पाते हैं। ये अगरतला हमारी राजधानी, यस, उसके नाम पर कुछ बन रहा है तो वी शुड एनकरेज। प्लीज जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। वो शख्स जिनके कारणवश हम सब कुछ देख पाते हैं, द बिहाइंड द सीन, एंड जिनके कारणवश सब कुछ हो जाता है।
One by the family store by Sarah. And so, let's welcome the team from Sarah.
The brand, the family store. I request हमारे साथ अभी तक जितने इन्फ्लुएंसर्स जुड़े हैं, प्लीज आप सब हमारे साथ जुड़ जाइए। इट्स अ काइंड रिक्वेस्ट। जोरदार तालियों से हमारे इन्फ्लुएंसर्स का स्वागत करेंगे। I request डॉक्टर तीस्ता शाह, रिक्वेस्टिंग रिया दास, रिक्वेस्टिंग एसडी एंट्री, रिक्वेस्टिंग प्रिया दास एंड रिक्वेस्टिंग मोक्ता सिन्हा। तालियों से हमारे प्रत्येक वासी के पास प्लीज। We are having with us रिया, हमारे साथ रिया जुड़ गई है। रिया, थैंक यू हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। अब हम आमंत्रित करेंगे डॉक्टर। थैंक यू सो मच। मैं आमंत्रित करूंगी जिनकी बुटीक को अब में आएंगे, कोई ऐसा नहीं है जो नहीं पहचानता है। लेट मी इनवाइट ऑन द स्टेज मैडम अनिंदिता एंड मोहुल्स बुटीक, द वन एंड ओनली मोहुल्स बुटीक। अगर आपको चॉइस मिले तो कहाँ जाएंगे? मोहुल्स बुटीक पे जाएंगे। एंड वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट मैम ऑन द स्टेज। जोरदार तालियों से मैडम का हम स्वागत करेंगे प्लीज। सर, तो प्लीज प्रेजेंट दिस अवार्ड।
यस, कुछ करो और कुछ करो। एन एक्शन।
Come press for Pasadena.
Yes, good going. Yes.
Cái này có lại nhắm này em
Blazer खूप नाही का?
Kolon zakha. AC out. AC krika blazer out. Ni informal hasi dai. Mane gana rok ngang kai to borok te buse live se je from blazer ang tong no. Tam ga borok AC on mang tong bla. Ke sung te rok nga hang kai you know we have to go in out or walk in this heat. That's why ching blazer rong je from kan dong maya. Okay, the program was good. Mane bini first nong khna jang ani knowledge tei Mithun ni first tam nai or Agartala Fashion Week je pro organize khamani kom ko gya sak ke organize khanya ni heda gai he did very well sung tabuk thangla chinai second complete to ya ko but leading ka sung ma thasinai all the best Mithun tebo kaham khaji future ro and it was a great event 5 out of 5 all the best Tangi jang like sung tata bye bye AFM sung complete family drawing ani this is a thana
We have limited time.
limited time ni bagai chung complete or link ka bas phaya ko sung sal sa phai nei li ma sama phai sa ya kha nang mall ro ka ma thai at dukkan ang ni bagai
Wall, the biggest mall.
oh hi ba